Hello there. Welcome to episode 4. Today I want to talk about machine learning types. Based on the learning process and the data available for training, machine learning is broadly categorized into three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on a labeled dataset where both the input data and the desired output are provided. The goal is for the model to learn a mapping between inputs and outputs so that it can predict the output for the new data. Classification and regressions are an example of supervised learning. Classification predicts discrete values. For example, identifying spam emails, classifying images. There are different algorithms in classification. For example, logistic regression, support vector machine, k-nearest neighbor, and others. Regression predicts continuous values. Linear regression, polynomial regression, decision trees, random forests, and others are basic algorithms in regression. By learning, the algorithm is given data without any labels, and its goal is to find hidden structures or patterns in the data. The model tries to learn the inherent distribution in the data without any explicit guidance. Clustering is an example of unsupervised learning. So as you can observe here, it groups similar data points together with a certain kind of similarity measure. In reinforcement learning, an agent interacts with an environment and learns to make decisions through trial and error, guided by rewards or penalties. The agent takes actions, observes the results, and adjusts its strategies to maximize the cumulative reward over time. So model takes actions in the environment, then received state updates and feedbacks. That is it for today's video. Next time, I'll go dive into supervised learning algorithms. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more content. And see you in the next video. Thank you.